Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, back up, brother.
Audrey, what's Daddy doing to you? What's Daddy doing to you?
Ready? Set. Go. Where's the other one at, Audrey?
Audrey, look at Mommy. Are you a pretty girl? Aren't you such a pretty girl?
Where's the other one at, Audrey?
Look at Daddy. I love him. And this right here. This is our baby. Want to give baby kiss? Daddy loves the baby. I love the baby too.